Macka Diamond, what go on?
I'm here, what's up?
What really go on in this video? Because I did a boom show some days ago. What really go on?
The Ghetto splash?
Yeah.
Well, I was on the stage, I don't know where I shell the show nice. You know, the people them gave me a good embrace, you know, and I came out doing my thing, Bunny Man, singing, you know, I have some stage show lyrics them. Then I said I got dancing also.
Yeah.
Couldn't find nobody for dance, so I turned on Mr. Sample Man in my little MC and I said, come Sam. Yeah, I said, come man, look a shot cow foot and you know, with that I said, I'm turn on and said, I got just back it up on him, you know. I just feel we got.
So why the whole thing when your wig fly off? No, you duck like you run for cover like an earthquake and you try hide.
No, what happened?
It done off, just embrace it.
No, honestly, what happened is like I was a little bit surprised. I was surprised, not really that, not surprised that I wasn't in tune with myself. I was like, okay, I'm gonna just put it on back this week on this DJ. But when I realized that I grabbed for it, I'm gonna put it on back for DJ. It now works. Somebody said, I should let you man and take a boot and work.
So like after what we never get after that they just continue to show.
Yes man, because me couldn't bother make that stop me. Me now, you know, I mean, it's not even the first time that has ever happened to me.
Oh, it's not the first?
No,
okay.
I remember I was on a US tour and I had a leg of a show with Capleton in Connecticut and I stopped one night and I was trying the dirty wine and the dirty wine thing and go fly.
You think it was just bad karma that you bring down by yourself? Because some days before they put up Mr. Lex at a boom show and the girl lift him up and you put it by your
No,
page.
you know what?
After that they come reach you at the same boom show.
You see it, but but you know why I put up the Lexus thing? I like the girl. I wanted to say
Funny.
Yeah, I was saying that Jesus, I want this girl from my team to come dance with me. So so it wasn't even all about Lexus. It was like I love our dance movement and really, you know. It must made my day. It was fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna see Mr. Look for you now and then you come get your video for yourself. No, what a weird.
What a weird. Well, the good thing about it, my one went bigger than Lexus.
So when did you hear that the video started going
viral? Like, instantly, instantly.
First, who messaged you?
No man, you see, as me come off of the stage and went down, I take some pictures and I took up my phone.
Yeah.
And I see some I said, let me go on Instagram. I said, they boom people and post it. And I was like, oh my God, just but I mean, it's because of that Shelly show, I kind of never feel no way. Like, after I see the people that really like, I just continue work and them like how me deal with it. So, I feel proud of myself, you know?
But I think I just your typical type of stylist now, Macka. December seemed to be very good for you. That no matter how, it come like some just say, you know what, Macka have to be on people's tongue. Something that will come up by the hook or the
don't know if I true January
because thing I keep this year and by somehow this just kind of come up now to kind of keep your name out there still.
Well, you don't know. I mean, and I was really, it's not like I really, I get up the night and I said, Chum, I get a splash of that. I don't think no more really miss me. I don't really want to go in them. But I said, no man, I forgot them. I have me as one of the headliner and me a part of Dan Mafia. But Mafia said to me, well, I forgot man, I could go shell it. And I said, yeah man, all right, I'll shell it where I go for. So, I mean, the key to that night and that moment was that I went and I did the job that I went there to do and I'm proud of myself, you know?
Alright, so I see on Instagram, see something about #WeGotFly. So apparently you have some. What was that? So you just go to shoot at the same time now and so we just capitalize on this?
Yeah man, I just drive, go up the next day. I said to Dan, I said, we have to go buy this song now. Because the people them kind of like the vibes, I would say, alright then, so we just go for UIM, and I say, but just sit down and wait for the boss, and I say, blacks me, wait, you know, well, wait, want a song, and when they come in, them say, why you want to read him? I'm star sing the song, you know? Yeah. When we want the cold food, we got free flight. When we cock it up, eh?
No, we can't get a volume on the stuff.
Yeah, turn up. We cold food, we got free flight.
If on video, I go on Twitter and make sure I use the same clip for them. Make sure you put in the same thing.
But I forgot for sample man, but I forgot for him man. Yes, but now I left him out of the video, you know? When me ball fi cold foot, we got fi fly sample man drop a ground when me cock it up. I ball fi cold foot.
Use fire like them.
Boy,
like them look well smooth.
And people always
see that the first video, I see what the video they have about 40 and
fabulous. Yes, I always have great skin.
I know me I see like you use a little, we call it. the bath and body works and that's something man and rub down on it.
Oh God.
You look well smooth, man.
But I always, I'm blessed with a healthy skin, and also I always thank God. It's just, I think it's what it's our heat. I eat healthy, so I guess it shows in my skin. And I drink a lot of water, so all you know water. Right.
Well, alright, that's just it. What you think about the whole fact say, before me cut, the whole fact say Sting now keep this year?
Well, Sting not keep this year, but they don't know Macka keep this year. You don't know.
Yeah.
It's so unfortunate they don't know Mr. Lang. I saw it go, but him can just put him thing together and come again. Because we know say Sting have a name, so it can revamp at any time. Hey, the song.
The song now. Do we got for
when we ball fi go foot, we got fi fly. Here a pop out and me the coach we line. When we ball fi go foot, we got fi fly. Sample man drop a gun when me cocky tongue high. When we ball fi go foot, we got fi fly. Marvin the Beez make we fly Ghana sky. When we ball fi go foot, we got fi fly. But actually, Billy, if your thing say I drink up me magnum.
Alright, Macka, thanks so much. You want to share a Christmas message, anything you know, you wish with the fans them and people out there? I am begging you all to be safe, keep the peace, and the man them stop murder the woman them. Because we don't have one bag of woman already. Only say we short, so please. We know, you understand that the ladies them will not get no husband them, you know, I mean, them, man them, we don't want to kill no back. So, as we said, that was irony still, we not kill back nobody, but may I say, seriously, the man them stop hurting the female them, and the man them stop kidnapping the kids them, whosoever doing that, stop hurting our kids. Have a Merry Christmas, a wonderful New Year, and go up on diet. Nobody eat too much cake, alright? I'm here a box cover from you now. Box cover, big up TheDuttyBerryShow.
Well, you don't know it's your girl Macka Diamond say box cover, TheDuttyBerryShow. I tune in with your girl Macka Diamond and you are in studio, the thing loud and turn up. I rather them.
When me ball fi go foot, we got to fly. Here up a port and me the coach